Welcome to Grace College of Engineering. In this video, I am going to discuss about EEE Department EE8412 Technical Seminar. Topic is about hybrid stepper motor. So, what is hybrid stepper motor? Hybrid stepper motor is most widely used motor among the various types of motor. Why means because its operation will be based on the combined principles of both permanent magnet stepper motor as well as variable reluctance stepper motors. And its constructions, it consists of axial permanent magnet at the two ends of which are attached to identical ferromagnetic stacks. That is nothing but this is a dotted line center. Now that is a ferromagnetic material. So it is attached at the two ends. So these two stacks consist of equal number of teeth. At one end of the stack attains a north magnetic polarity and other end is in a south. That is here having no, that is in upper it is in a north and at the lower it is in a south polarity. So the two stacks have an angular displacement of one of the rotor tip pitch. So this is a hybrid stepper motor. It looks like this only. And next it having an 4 stator with a stator winding and 6 rotor winding. So Y dash, that is A dash, A terminal is called as an A phase and B terminal is called as an B phase. So next thing operation, how they are operating means when phase winding A, that is A terminal is energized with a current IA, then here A1 will produce a north pole and at A2 will produce a south pole. So these two are created at a north and south pole at A1 and A2 when A is energized. So at that time what will happen means these two north and south poles start to attract. So by attracting this, the rotor start to rotate in a directions. So like for turning the rotor clockwise through a step, de-energize the phase winding A and excite the phase winding B. So when B start to energize, before that we have to de-energize the A winding. Okay. Same for B winding also. When B started to energize, it also provide in B1 provides a north pole and B2 provide a south pole are created on the stator. So this B1 and B2, that is north and south pole and B1 and B2 start to attract. So at that time the rotor will be rotate in an angle of 30 degree clockwise is achieved. So sequence of exciting the phase winding for clockwise, like this way the clockwise direction rotating in a A1, B1, A2, B2, A1, and therefore for CCW means nothing but counterclockwise direction, that just opposite to the clockwise rotations. The sequence will be A1, B2, A2, B1, A1, like this way it start to rotate. So next its advantages. When the windings are de-energized, it will provide some detent torque, and this hybrid stepper motors are highly efficiency and highly stepping rate capability and also higher holding torque capabilities. And disadvantage, so due to the presence of magnet, it is somewhat weight, okay, and weight and also higher inertia. When our magnetic strength is changed, their performance will be affected. So next thing is applications. Where and all we are using means it's used in various industrial and domestic applications like robotics, digital watches, tape drives, printers, XY plotters and records. That's all about this hybrid stepper motor. Thank you students.